What is rustic luxury? And why would we think it would be the next big thing after farmhouse? Rustic luxury has always been around and isn't necessarily a new thing, but it originates from the idea of taking a luxurious lifestyle out of the countryside and putting it into a rustic setting. Now, it doesn't have to take place in the countryside and can absolutely happen in the city or the suburbs. This style can be taken anywhere and in any location, and that's what's so much fun about it. And one of the main reasons that so many people may gravitate towards this style is it follows the principle that less is more. It's the idea of paring back your things, where you don't have layer upon layer of furnishings throughout the room, which creates extra space, but it gives the feel of luxury. One of the principles of this style is sophistication, and another reason why people are moving towards it. With our exposure to Architectural Digest and other leading design magazines, giving us access more than ever to seeing things that we wouldn't have seen before, and giving us a better understanding that we can bring sophistication into our homes in the way we select particular design elements, style of our furnishings, and display them in a way that's very sophisticated. And I think that's where the style really differs from farmhouse, because modern farmhouse was all about using everyday items that were taken from the early style, like shiplap, metal roof, large gables, gas lamps, etc. This style is all about using sophisticated materials like marble and putting them all together in a way that gives you a bit more of an elevated feel into your home. This style is definitely taking something that's luxurious and mixing it with more rustic and natural materials. The secret of this style relies on the pairing of things that appear to be in opposition, yet work perfectly together. In this room, you have stained wood ceilings, drop-down ceiling treatments, a rustic stone fireplace, steel beams, and contemporary lighting, all working together to give a heightened level of sophistication. The rustic luxury style can definitely be more traditional and modern, so if you love to combine these styles, this would be a great look for you. If you lean more traditional, it works. If you lean more modern, it works as well. That's what is so great about this style. It's more about a way of living and how you put items together in your home than relying on a single style. In this photo, you have simple clean line sheetrock with no door or window trim. Two sets of rustic traditional style doors flanking the fireplace, a simple natural stone fireplace surround, and some rustic beam ceiling elements to create a beautiful balance between traditional and modern styles. In this style, you will want to use more of a muted color palette, but that doesn't mean you can't use black, which works very well in this style. In this photo, you see a monochromatic blend between the trim, wall, ceiling, and window colors, along with a dark rustic fireplace surround and hearth. This is one of my favorite rooms. It has clean, smooth stone fireplace surround, a stacked stone element above the fireplace. It also includes wide plank engineered flooring and rustic wall elements in the room. And lastly, a stunning living room with a modern fireplace wall, beautiful accent lighting, large windows, and rustic ceiling details overlooking a beautiful winter scene outside. If you like rustic luxury, this is a style that you can easily bring into the design of your home. And if you're careful, you can do it without having to spend a lot of extra money. Thanks so much for watching our video on the new upcoming trend, rustic luxury. If you have any comments about this style, please leave them in the comments section. And if you have any questions about this video or ideas about new videos we can make, also leave them in the comments section. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe to us if you'd like to get more of our content. Lastly, if you're interested in building a custom luxury home in Houston, Texas, please reach out to us via our website at www.aspirefindhomes.com. Thank you.